Right, okay guys, hello, it's Alison here from learntotradecrypto.net. Today I'm going to talk about Cardano, ADA or ADA, and what my thoughts are about the price going on to $20 in the next couple of weeks and months to come. Hey, if you're new to this channel, I want you to subscribe because I talk about the fundamentals and technical aspects of investing into cryptocurrencies. Like I always say, I am not an investment advisor, and whatever you hear on this channel should only be used for educational and informational purposes only. You need to be able to do your own research, but there is a lot of money to be made, I believe, when we learn about cryptocurrencies. If you're not subscribed, I don't understand why you're not subscribed, because my channel is helping people, get ahead with cryptocurrency. And also, when I get to 5,000 subscribers, I will be giving out $100. If you want it in ADA or Cardano, I'll send it to you when I get to 5,000 subscribers. I'm able to do that because I have a bot that generates profit for me on a daily basis, okay? So if you want to learn more about that, I've got a lot of videos on this channel. On any of my videos, just click that subscribe button, click the like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm to send my videos to other people so other guys can benefit as well. So why do I say that Cardano is going to $20? Now, $20 is just my own estimation, but with the way things are going, I'll be looking at the technical aspects and a couple of fundamental aspects, okay? And then we can then go on to the charts, all right? So let me try and stop sharing this massive screen here now. And let me stop sharing. And then I'm going to share another screen with you. Hi, I'm going to share another screen with you. And let's share this, share my desktop, okay? So first of all, let us look at the fundamental aspects first, okay? Now, this is the chart, okay? So we'll come to the chart in a minute. Now, Cardano was always meant to compete or to improve upon Ethereum. One of the biggest use cases for Ethereum has been DeFi. DeFi stands for decentralized applications. Listen, I would like you to, listen or watch this video till the end, because I think it's packed with tons of valuable information, okay? And how I think about my approach to cryptocurrencies. We've had a lot of success with cryptocurrencies in my Telegram channel. If you want to join my Telegram channel, my VIP channel, there'll be links in the description below. So, I would say grab a piece of paper and grab a pen to make some notes about how I look at this thing from a fundamental aspect and also a technical aspect. The fundamental will tell you, should I buy this currency? Should I buy into it? And the technical aspect will look for an entry point, a cheap price to be able to buy it, or a cheaper price relatively to be able to buy this currency. So I'll encourage you, watch this video to the end. And also, like I said, just make sure you subscribe. It helps me and you. Let's get to it. So very, very briefly, Cardano was founded by one of the Ethereum co-founders called Charles Hoskinson or whatever. So he is now doing his own Cardano blockchain that they are building. Now, like I was saying, one of the most important use cases of Ethereum are the DeFi apps, which are now built to run on Ethereum. But the problem those DeFi apps have right now is that it's now expensive to run, because we're not paying very, very high gas fees on the Ethereum blockchain. And also, we're also having the issue of smart contract vulnerabilities, because the tokens of each of these projects are all generated by smart contracts. For those tokens to execute, they are going to need to pay gas fees, okay? So it is becoming very, very expensive to use Ethereum. I am shying away now from applications on Ethereum like Uniswap and so. But if I see a potentially good coin where I'm going to make some money, I wouldn't mind paying the gas fees. But if we're going to encourage adoption and bringing more people into the space, then it is very important that we have transaction fees as cheap as possible. So how is Cardano going to address this problem? Cardano had a recent upgrade called the Mary upgrade, in which they are going to implement their smart contract platform. Now, with Cardano smart contracts, you would not need to create a separate token. Cardano has got what we call the multi-asset ledger technology, which they're developing. So any asset that is going to be used to power a DeFi application on Cardano is going to be a native token to the Cardano platform. So any exchange of value between those tokens will happen on the multi-asset ledger, and that means they will have no gas fees to pay. Also, secondly, there will be no requirement for a smart contract to generate a token. And when there is no smart contract, we know that there will be no issue of security vulnerability. And as you know, many of these smart contract platforms, many of these DeFi platforms have been exploited for millions of dollars. Okay, so that is a very, very compelling case of how Cardano is trying to solve the Ethereum problems. And as a result, that is going to give the platform a lot of value. Okay, so briefly, I have just gone through the fundamentals of why I believe Cardano is going to explode in value. When Cardano solves all these problems, it is now going to, many of these applications are now going to move the application from Ethereum blockchain to the Cardano blockchain. As long as we have the issue of high fees and smart contract vulnerability, I believe that Cardano has got a very, very strong case to be able to compete with Ethereum. And then, because the more people use Cardano, the better. Also, one thing I need to chip in as well, apart from this technical aspect that I've explained of why Cardano should be on your radar, and why Cardano, I believe Cardano will get to $20 and beyond, $20 US and beyond. And there is also this issue that is we are seeing now of these money bags actually now buying these top coins as stores of value. We have seen Bitcoin go from 10,000 to 50,000, not because of its technological use, but because people now see it as a reserve currency. We are also seeing this with Ethereum as well. Ethereum has gone from 400 to over $2,000, because people are buying it up as a store of value. By the time they finish buying up Ethereum, well, they wouldn't finish anyway, but they're now going to keep looking at other cheaper currencies to buy as a store of value. Now, with what I have explained to you about ADA moving on and trying to take a market share out of Ethereum as a smart contract platform and platform for DeFi, you can see why something like ADA is going to become more attractive. The more they buy it, the more the value would go up. So having said that, now that you know why it's going to go up, where are you going to enter from? Okay, now the best time, now we have to look at the technical aspects of investing in cryptocurrencies. The best time to go into a cryptocurrency is after a retracement. So as you can see from this 4-hour chart, ADA has been on a tear lately. Now, the last thing you want to do is to buy at the top. That is what newbies do. You only want to buy or sell after a retracement. Now, if we look at this chart, you tell me historically where it would have been good for you to buy. So let us look at this one. So the price moved up here, and then we had a retracement here, right? We had a pullback. That we call a retracement or a pullback, okay? To get a trend line. So you see that? Okay, it broke there, and then it came out, and then it broke out of it, and then it continued. We had the same thing here. We cloned that. You see that here, right? So it broke out there, and then it went out. Now we are having this current one here. So we are now having a retracement here, okay? And what I suspect is that this is now going to break out at some point, and then you move out, okay? That's what's going to happen, okay? That's what's going to happen, right? So it has happened several times before. It's going to keep repeating itself because ADA is going to increase in value. So rather than buying at the top, we need to begin to find out where we like to buy. So right now, what we are seeing here, let me take all these ones off. So what you are seeing here is actually the formation of what we call a bullish flag or a pennant, okay? I trade this structure all the time, right? So I'm going to leave it like this. This is now the bullish flag. And what you're having here is some degree of accumulation going on here right now. So if you want to buy ADA at $1, I don't see anything wrong with it, but I believe you might get a better price at about 90 something cent, about 92 cents, because there is what we call a high volume node here around the 90 cent mark, okay? So even if this decides to continue on its way down, So you are looking for an entry point, okay? To be honest with you, it doesn't really matter how much you buy ADA right now, because the price is going to keep going up based on what I believe I've explained to you. Okay, so even if the price goes back down here, you get at a much better price. But just like what Bitcoin was a couple of months ago, now it doesn't really matter if you bought Bitcoin at 10,000 or 4,000 or 15,000. Bitcoin is now almost 60 grand. So the same thing is going to happen with ADA as well. Okay, so I like to front run this bull flag, because if the buying pressure is high, this would not get here. Okay, this is a high volume node on the volume profile where I believe the price could come down to. But if you don't want to risk it, you can buy within this bull flag formation, and then, or you can just buy and then the price, hopefully the price will then go up. But I believe, if I'm trying to make a very, very technical case, I believe it's going to come down here, because if you see, this is an area where price had some resistance before and had a lot of accumulation here, as evidenced by this high volume node here. So you can either do that, or you can just buy some. You can buy some, and if the price comes down further, you can also buy as well before the price now begins to shoot up. So you can buy some here. Maybe you want to buy, a certain percentage inside of this bull flag, and if it breaks down further, you can maybe place a pending buy order at this level. Okay, I doubt it if Cardano will go below 90 cents after a retracement. Now, if you put on, let us get rid of all of this. I've done that. Let us get rid of all of this, and then if we put on our Fibonacci retracement tool from this last low here to this top high here, you will see that this price range comes between the 50% and 61.8 Fibonacci levels. Okay, so I think that this will be a good buying zone. I've explained before, between this zone here. Okay, nobody knows for sure what's going to happen, so you could either you could either buy in here or come in here. Okay, so guys, I think I've made a case for both the fundamentals and the technical aspects of Cardano or ADA increasing in price and where you are supposed to buy. Now, if you're looking to buy Cardano, Cardano is on Binance, and I do have a cryptocurrency course where I can explain to you a bit more about how you're going to buy, how you're going to secure your coins, and how you're going to take profit, which is something I'm going to make a new video on very, very soon. Okay, so if you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, you're new or you're a beginner, or you're struggling to make money on cryptocurrencies, I'll leave a link below the video for you to contact me, and then we can take it from there. Okay, so there you have it, guys. It's Allison here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it's made a lot of sense to you. I've just talked about ADA, how I believe ADA is going to get to $20. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because when I hit 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving out $100 in Cardano or whatever currency you wanted. When I hit 5,000 subscribers here on YouTube, I'm already on 2,000 plus. Thank you, everybody. Don't forget to also like and comment. It does help the channel to grow. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Take care and have a good day. Bye-bye.